Welcome to Solution Zone. Here you get videos on how to, tricks and tips, facts, answers, and many more. Hit the subscription button so as not to miss out any content from us.
Apple's iPhone 14 Pro is set to be the phone that could shake up the iPhone range by potentially bringing in a notably different design from the iPhone 13 Pro. So far, the rumors have hinted at everything from the death of the notch to the return of Touch ID. The original iPhone debuted in 2007. And every year, Apple has unveiled a new and improved version of its iPhone. This year is expected to be no different. We'll likely have to wait until the fall to see the iPhone 14. Hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so as not to miss out any content from us. The biggest rumors so far include a new design with a notchless display, a pill and hole punch front camera, under-display Touch ID, a more durable body, the elimination of the chunky rear camera bump, and the death of the iPhone mini. iPhone 14 size rumors. Apple's last two iPhone lineups have featured the same 6.1 inches size for the base model, going up to 6.7 inches for the Pro Max, according to report. Apple will stick with these screen sizes for the iPhone 14. iPhone 14 release date. Apple is yet to breathe a word about the iPhone 14, let alone its release date. But since Apple typically unveils new iPhones at the same time each year, it's highly likely we'll see the iPhone 14 arrive in September 2022. The iPhone 13 broke cover on the 14th of September 2021. The second Tuesday in the month, Apple seems to favor the first or second Tuesday of September, which suggests the iPhone 14 could debut on either Tuesday 6th or Tuesday the 13th of September 2022. iPhone 14 price. There's no word either way on iPhone 14 pricing. But Apple didn't make any big price changes between 2020's iPhone 12 and 2021's iPhone 13, so the existing price structure is at least a good place to start our speculation. Predictions show that the high-end 6.7 inches phone will launch at a record low price, under $900, compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which ranges from $1,000 all the way up to a staggering $1,600. That's quite a steal. iPhone 14 camera rumors. Two of the big rumors we've heard about the iPhone 14's camera setup are actually more about the phone's design. First, that the chunky camera bump could disappear. Second, that a hole punch or hole and pill design could replace the dreaded notch on the front. iPhone 14 storage and battery life. When it comes to storage, we expect Apple to go with the same options as the iPhone 13. 128 GB for the entry-level devices and up to 1 TB for the top-of-the-line Pro handset. There's talk of Apple offering 2 TB of storage with the 2022 Pro models. But would it sell enough 2 TB phones to make it a worthwhile option? We're not convinced. If Apple is going to beef up the iPhone's processing power, it makes sense to beef up the battery too. The new iPhone 13 lasts 2.5 hours longer than the iPhone 12, so we will expect another decent bump in power. Finally, rumors abound that the iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max could be portless, with wireless chargers and wireless headphones becoming the norm. We can understand why the rumors, which swirled around the iPhone 12 and 13, are sticking around. Could the iPhone go port-free this year? Give us your thoughts in the comments section and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.